Hello fans, Nature Cat here, and today we're going to show you the Powerpuff Girls VHS collection. What is that? Daisy! Yes, Nature Cat? Why do you have the music on? Because I love this music. Can you please turn it off? Okay. There. The song is over. Let's start the VHS collection. Oh yeah. Come on, let's do this. First up is Bubble Visions from the only 2001. Here's this side. There's bubbles right there. The back. There's a Source Ops. Kamandu. Dynamo. Mr. Mojo's Rising. Powerpuff. And Bubble Visions. Wow, cool tape. The print date is April 21st of 2000. Next up, Monkey See, Doggy Do. Here's a spine. There's Blossom in the back. The episodes here include Monkey See, Doggy Do, Telephones, Mommy Fearless, or a Change of Bear Facts, whatever that is. Here's a cool tape. Print date is May 2nd, 2000. Oh, it's Dream Sheen. There's Professor on this cover. The story shops are Dream Sheen, just another Magic Mojo, Down and Dirty, Mojob, and Mayor Competition. It contains Sheep in a Big City bonus tune. Whoa. Is the video itself. December 8th, 2000 is the print date. Birthday Bash is one of my favorites. I have the slipcover and clamshell. These episodes here include Birthday Bash, Beat Your Greens, Plastic Makes Waste, School House Rockin', and Those Mojos. For some reason, this VHS is Sheep in the Big City's bonus tune in this clamshell. Courage the Curly's dog is in slipcover. These two copies have Courage the Curly's dog in the end. It's kind of stupid and weird. They have the tape labels. Look at the print dates. It says October 17, 2000 and December 11, 2000. Boogie Frights is a pretty good one. Bubbles on the cover? I forgot. Bubble Cup is on a cover. Whoa, they have a Wallace's Gromit trailer and Winning London. They have a cool music video at the end. So, the episodes here go Boogie Frights, Library, and with the enemy, I score a really have a shelter. A sneak get of Smarty Jack and Courage the Curly's dog. It came with this sticker label. Print day is February 21st, 2001. There's a promo material. Cool one. Oh, Twisted Sister. Twisted Sister is pretty cool. They have Blossom on the cover again. Episodes of Twisted Sister. Some with Miss. The main event. Crisscross Chris's and Power Lunch. Same Samurai Jack promo. It had Dexter's Laboratory. It's one of my favorite shows. The print date is May 19, 2001. Meet the Beat-Offs. Pretty good tape. Whoa, Mojo Jojo's on the tape. Episodes are Meet the Beat-Offs, Bought on Skull, Bubble Vision, Joe in the Aisle, and Collect Her. It has the Time Squad bonus tune, which I love Time Squad. It came with this booklet thing again. Ink label. September 27, 2001. And last but not least, one of my favorite ones that come in the big screen, 2002, the Powerpuff Girls movie. 2 copies of this. It has Dexter's Laboratory Chicken Scratch bonus 2 in it. They've both purchased from Blockbuster Video. That copy, he has an end label and the sticker there. And this copy has a print date, October 2nd, 2000. So that's our show. Stay tuned for more VHS collection coming soon.